The notion that domestic violence can happen behind the most perfect of facades is a disturbing reality that Liane Moriarty's book, Big Little Lies, brings to the forefront. You may think you know what goes on behind closed doors, but this book will challenge those assumptions and make you question everything. The truth is, lies and secrets can be hidden in plain sight, and it's a wake-up call you absolutely need to hear. Big Little Lies, written by the renowned author Liane Moriarty, is a thought-provoking novel that delves into the complex lives of three women and their families in a small coastal town. And the best part, you can listen to the full audiobook completely free using the trial link in the description below. This book is a journey into the human psyche, revealing the intricate web of relationships, secrets, and lies that bind us all. One of the most significant insights from the book is that appearances can be deceiving, and what seems perfect on the surface can be a facade hiding deep-seated problems. For instance, a friend who always seems to have it all together may be struggling with mental health issues. This realization can help you become more empathetic and understanding towards those around you. The book also explores the theme of trauma and how it can affect people in different ways, making it difficult for them to open up and trust others. If this is resonating with you, don't wait, grab the full audiobook free using the link in the description. By listening to the stories of the characters, you can gain a deeper understanding of the complexities of human emotions and behaviors. The book's exploration of the complexities of female friendships and the power dynamics at play is another powerful lesson. The way the author weaves together the lives of the characters, revealing their strengths and weaknesses, is a testament to the complexity of human relationships. The free trial link is waiting for you right in the description below. Click it, start listening today, and transform your life. By doing so, you'll embark on a journey of self-discovery and gain a deeper understanding of the world around you.